Have you ever felt like everyone around you is fighting to get ahead? Maybe at work, everyone is working so hard that they forget to be kind. This is a common struggle for many people. Today, we will learn an idiom that describes this exactly. It is called dog eat dog. Understanding this will help you talk about competition in English. Let's look at a funny mistake. Imagine a new worker named Sam. His boss says, "This office is dog eat dog." Sam gets worried. He thinks people actually eat dogs. So, the next day, he brings a hot dog to the meeting to share. Everyone was very confused. Sam learned that it does not mean eating dogs. So, what does it really mean? Dog eat dog describes a situation that is very competitive. It means people will do anything to be successful, even if they have to hurt others. It comes from an old saying that even dogs do not eat other dogs. So a dog-eat-dog world is even tougher than that. Now, let's see it used correctly. Sarah and Tom are both trying to get a big promotion. Sarah says, "I have to work all weekend because this business is dog-eat-dog." She knows she must work harder than everyone else to win. She is using the idiom to describe the tough competition. Here are some examples. 1. It is a dog-eat-dog world in the fashion industry. This means fashion is very competitive. 2. Politics can be a dog-eat-dog business. This means people in politics fight hard to win. Notice how we use it to describe a whole industry or world. How can you remember this? Think of two hungry dogs fighting over just one bone. They both want it very much, and they won't share. That is a dog-eat-dog situation. Just remember, one bone, many dogs. Did you know? This idiom comes from an old Latin proverb that said, "Dog does not eat dog." Over time, it changed to dog eat dog to show how world has become more competitive. It is often used in movies and books to describe big cities or tough jobs. It reflects how much we value success today. Let's learn some related words. A similar phrase is cutthroat, which also means very competitive. An opposite is fair play, where everyone follows the rules. A related idiom is the rat race, which describes the stressful struggle of modern life and work. Be careful. A common mistake is saying dog eats dog. Remember, we do not add an S. It is always dog eat dog. Also, do not use it for friendly games. It is only for very serious and tough competition. Think of it as a single name for a tough world. Time for a quiz! In a dog-eat-dog world, are people A, kind and helpful, B, very competitive, or C, lazy and slow? Think for a moment. The correct answer is B. People are very competitive and fight to win. Did you get it right? Great job today! We learned that dog eat dog means very competitive. We use it to describe tough industries like business or politics. And remember, never add an S at the end. Using this idiom will make your English sound more natural when you talk about hard work. Now it is your turn. Have you ever been in a dog-eat-dog situation? Tell us your story in the comments below. If you enjoyed today's content, please like and subscribe or support us with super thanks. See you in the next video.